Hi, welcome to the session on CMA Part 2, Strategic Financial Management. We will have a quiz on Section E, Investment Decisions. Once you make a decision to invest in a particular project, you may have to think about that how the project is viable in future. On the positive side or negative side. These are called real options. We have 4 real options: expand, adapt, postpone, and abandon. If the project is very successful, yes, it should allow us to expand without any restrictions. If the project has some good features of adaptability, where we can adapt some success factors, it is an option called adapt. Under unforeseen situations, sometimes a project may have to be postponed. So when we postpone a particular project, there shouldn't be any kind of huge losses and legal actions. So it should be free of those losses. And if any reason why the project has to be discontinued, is there any possibility to come out of it with a minimal losses, minimum or no legal restrictions, called abandon. Real options: expand, adapt, postpone, and abandon. Mostly asked in CMA exams. So take care of it. Let's have a small quiz on it. A company is considering investing $5 million in a new product facility. If demand increases significantly after 2 years, it can expand production by investing an additional $2 million, generating substantial additional cash flows. See the question here. Scenario clearly mentions that the project is successful and we are there to invest another $2 million, and it is allowing us. Which real option is illustrated here? As you know that we have 4 real options: expansion, adapt, postpone, and abandon. This is an option of expansion. Thank you and happy learning.
Before you leave, here's something that can completely transform the way you prepare for your exams. If you want comprehensive video lectures, premium study notes, chapter-wise MCQs, mock tests, practice questions, quizzes, and regular updates, all in one place, download the LetsLearn Global app today. Android users, search for LetsLearn Global on the Google Play Store and install the app. iPhone and iPad users, download the Class Plus app from the Apple App Store. After installing it, open the app and enter the organization code, Enrich, to access all our courses. Whether you're preparing for US CMA, CPA, EA, UGC NET, Commerce, Accounting, Finance, or professional certification exams, you'll find high-quality learning resources designed to help you succeed. Don't just study harder, study smarter with structured learning, expert guidance, and exam-focused content. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and remember, your success begins with the right learning partner. Let's Learn Global, your global learning partner.